Hello dear friends, Namaskara and hearty welcome to my astrology channel. The topic for discussion today is Varuna form of Aditya and the results attributed to the placement of Sun in the 4th house. When Sun is in the 4th house of a birth chart of an individual, or when it is placed in the sign of Cancer, which is the 4th house of the natural zodiac, such a form of Aditya is called Varuna Aditya. Please watch my earlier videos for an elaborate discussion on the concept of Dwadasha Adityas, for which I am very much indebted to Sri Sanjay Rath. Varuna Aditya rules over all the water bodies. Cancer is the sign of creation. It is a watery sign. Thus, the power and authority of Varuna Aditya rests in this sign. As the 4th house rules the heart and the chest portion of the body, Varuna Aditya knows all the secrets which are in the hearts of the people. Depicted as wearing a golden armor and a noose. This noose is a coiled snake with which he drags souls into the cages of clay. Cage of clay refers to the mortal human body. Varuna Aditya controls all social and personal laws which are based on the principles of karma siddhanta and rebirth. Thus, he has the power to punish or bless a person based on the karma of that individual. Some of the greatest believers in the theory of karma siddhanta and rebirth and in the esoteric are born with Sun in the sign of Cancer. Two prominent examples are astrologers Mr. Alan Leo and Dr. B.V. Raman. Both of them have Sun in the sign of Cancer. This is the birth chart of Mr. Alan Leo. He was regarded as the father of modern astrology. He was a theosophist and had incorporated the principles of karma and rebirth in his astrological writings. The second chart is the birth chart of Dr. B.V. Raman. He also has Sun in the sign of Cancer. Dr. B.V. Raman was regarded as Abhinav Varahamihra. He had popularized Indian astrology worldwide with his lectures in the Western as well as in the Eastern countries, including the one in the United States General Assembly. He had done yeoman services to the field of astrology. Indian astrology, and in fact the entirety of Indian philosophy, is founded on the principles of karma siddhanta and rebirth. These two great astrologers, having studied thousands of horoscopes, have understood what lies in the hearts of the people. They have also deciphered what caused these human beings to be born and drawn into the cages of clay. Now let us look at some of the dictums attributed to Sun in the 4th house in the classical text. These slokas and their translation will run on the screen and I will read them for your benefit. Bruhad Jataka Shashigruha Gate Budbudakshaha. If Sun is in the sign of Cancer, the native will develop cataract in his eyes. Bhrugusutram Heenangaha Ahankari Janavirodhi Vusnadehi Manahpidavan. If Sun is in the 4th house, the native will have defective limbs, be proud, opposed to public, will have hard constitution and a troubled mind. Dvitrimshad varshe sarva karmanukulavan bahupratishta siddhi sattapada vijnana saurya sampanaha. In the 32nd year, he will get favorable situations, will become learned, respected, successful and will attain good position. Bhavadipe balayute swakshetra trikona kendra lakshana apekshaya andolika praptihi. If the Lord of the 4th house is strong, by being in one house, in exaltation, in a kendra or trikona, he will acquire good conveyances. Papayute papavikshana vasat dustastane durvahana siddhi kshetrahinaha paragriha eva vasaha. If the Lord of the 4th is with or aspected by malefics, he will acquire vehicles which cause troubles. He will not have one house and will stay in others' houses. Kalyana Varma in Saravali. Vahanabandhu Vihinah Pidita Hrudayash Chiturdake Surye Pitrugruha Dhananashakaro Bhavati Naraha Kunrupa Sevicha. A native with a sun in the 4th house will be devoid of pleasure of conveyances, will not have relatives or good relations, will have heart troubles, will become destroyer of ancestral property, and will be in the service of bad people. Jataka Parijata by Vaijanatha Dikshita. Hrudrogi Dhanadhanya Buddhihinaha Kruraha Sukhaste Ravo. The native with sun in the 4th house will have heart problems, lacks wealth, will be mindless and be violent. Dr. B.V. Raman. Mental worry, defective heart, success in foreign countries, hatred of relations, keen-minded, good reputation, success after middle age, quarrelsome, weak constitution, unhappy, squanders parental property, philosophical. Sun in the 4th house is not a welcome feature, causing troubles to eyes, heart, loss or absence of relations and vehicles, unless otherwise the Lord of the 4th house is strong and has benefic association or aspects. I hope you have liked this video. In case you have liked my video, I request you to subscribe to my channel by pressing the bell button. I'll keep on posting videos on interesting astrological topics. I request you to patronize my channel with your views. Have a great day. Thank you.